to sail the skies and fly the clouds. Getting this launcher ready isn't easy. And those wing gliders are almost here. Still need to put the wings in place. Can't have a wing glider without wings. When these wings are in place, you'll fly and see Berk headed to the main track. Get to the list. Wing glider without wings. This is terrible. On your left, you'll see some bronco eggs, which are well known to explode when they hatch. But don't worry, they only hatch in exactly these conditions at exactly this time of year. Which means that stopping here would be a really bad idea. Oh boy. Hold on tight. Completely impressed. If you ever want to go flying again,